Welcome to Enoven Foods. Today we are making a traditional favorite, soft, rich and melt in mouth Besan Barfi. A festive sweet that's simple to make but full of flavor. Let's get started. Sieve 1 cup of gram flour or besan. Sieve the besan to remove lumps and ensure smooth roasting. Besan Barfi is a popular sweet during Diwali, Eid and weddings. Heat half cup ghee and pour in the sieved gram flour. Roast on low flame while stirring continuously. Always roast on low heat to avoid burning the gram flour. This sweet is also known as Mysore Pak's soft cousin. It's one of the easiest sweets to prepare with minimal ingredients. Keep roasting for about 10 minutes until aromatic and golden. Add 3/4 cup powder milk and mix well. Powder milks add a soft, milky richness to the texture. Now for the sugar syrup. In a pan, add 1 cup sugar, 1 cup water and half teaspoon cardamom powder. Boil for 5 minutes on medium flame until it reaches one stirring consistency. Check sugar syrup consistency with your fingers. One stirring is perfect. Add the sugar syrup into the besan mixture. Stir well and mix everything together. Grease a 5-inch mold with oil. Line with baking paper and pour the mixture. Spread evenly. Top with chopped nuts and let it set at room temperature for 1 hour. Set the barfi at room temperature. Refrigeration makes it hard. Besan is high in protein and rich in fiber. Cardamom adds not only flavor but also aids digestion. Ghee provides healthy fats and enhances absorption of nutrients. Nuts on top are a great source of vitamin E and minerals. Your homemade besan barfi is ready, soft, sweet and full of flavor, perfect for celebration or simply satisfying your sweet cravings. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Enoven Foods. We will see you again with more easy and delicious recipes.